Hey guys, WR-128K here, and today I'm going to do a test of Midland WR-120 easy, no weather radio. You see, it is a weather radio, of course. If I press this button,
22 degrees, the dew point minus.
To do a siren test, you just hit menu, and you go down till it says alert test, and then you press the select button. I'll do that in a few seconds. 3, 2, 1. As you can see, it works. And if I think nope, it doesn't actually show the lamps, the warning lamps, unlike the Capello saving sound or some other radios do have that feature. Now, also, you can even turn off the backlight. Let's get closer. You set channel, backlight, hit select. As you can see, that's my Wii U over there. Hit select, and hit BLT on, and turn the backlight off. Backlight norm, after a few seconds it'll turn off. I like it on. And then you just hit the menu again, and it will save the settings. And again, if you hit the weather snooze button,
It's forecast to be above
bam.
normal. This
Also,
long-term outlook is updated on NOAA Weather Radio around 5 p.m. Eastern Time each day.
as you can see,
Here is the hazardous weather outlook, issued at 2:12 p.m. Central Standard Time
that's the current
for portions of South Central Indiana and Central
update on
Kentucky.
NOAA Weather Radio
For
Channel
tonight,
1,
The wind
KH45, 162.4 megahertz. And as you can see,